Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete photos in Grok AI. Okay, this is something I actually checked myself because I didn't want old test images just sitting around in my account. If you're trying to delete photos on Grok AI, start by thinking about where that image lives. Sometimes it's inside a conversation, sometimes it's saved in your files, and sometimes it's inside Imagine. I usually begin with history. If I generated the image in chat, I open a conversation and just delete the entire thread. That alone removes the generated content from your visible history. Next, let's go to Profile, then into Files. If I uploaded any reference images, they'll show up there. From here, we can select the file and delete it directly. Let's double check this section because uploads don't disappear automatically. Finally, let's check the Imagine tab. If the image was saved, tap the three-dot menu on it and choose Unsave. And if it's inside a project, head to My Projects and remove it there too. It's really just about clearing it from every section where it might be stored. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.